Hello, amazing people out there. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Trips and Memories. Keep watching our videos if you feel that travel relieves all the stress one has. Without any further delay, let's dive into our first place, McLeodganj. And yeah, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to get updates about the amazing places waiting for you to explore. Do follow us on our Instagram as well as Facebook page, the link for which is given in the description below. McLeodganj is a breathtaking hill station of Dharamshala in Himachal Pradesh. It is also known as Little Lhasa because of its large population of Tibetans. अगर आप उन लोगों में से हैं जिन्हें पहाड़ियों की शांति, मोनास्ट्रीज की कामनेस, वाटरफॉल्स और बर्फ से भरे पेड़ पहाड़ पसंद है, तो McLeodganj is the place that you should definitely visit once in your lifetime. Best time to visit. As such, McLeodganj is a year-round destination, but if you are a snow lover, the best time to visit is from October to February. The aura of McLeodganj completely changes when winter strikes in. First few months are chilling, while the end months experience frequent snowfalls. The average temperature is -1 to 9 degrees Celsius. Chilling, right? अगर आपको बर्फ से भरे पहाड़ पेड़ पसंद है तो इससे अच्छा टाइम हो ही नहीं सकता जाने के लिए. Plus, International Himalayan Festival is also celebrated then. And if you would like to visit in summer, McLeodganj would not fail you in providing a cold, calm stay away from the hustle of the cities. The average temperature then is 17 to 33 degrees Celsius when nights are cooler. Apart from its beauty, McLeodganj is famous for being the spiritual getaway and pilgrimage for the Buddhists. How to reach there? McLeodganj is well accessible through roads and airports. Direct flights are available till Gagar Airport, Dharamshala, after which a 46-minute drive would lead you to McLeodganj. If you would like to drive through the mountains, you can even opt for a road trip from Delhi. By rail, Pathankot is the nearest station accessible to McLeodganj. Various taxis and buses are also available for you to reach there. Accommodation. There are a mix of budget hotels and luxury hotels to suit everyone's pocket. Certain recommendations for budget hotels are Hotel The Nest, Odissi Hotel, Citrus Classic, The Casa, and certain recommendations for luxury hotels are Hilltop Villa, Hyatt Regency, Fortune Park Moksha, Rak Resort Palampur. Various homestays and hostels are also available for solo travelers at reasonable rates. Places to visit. McLeodganj has a variety of attractions for everyone. Firstly, for anyone who loves trekking, there are various trek options available. Trion Trek, considered as one of the top trekking trails in the country, on the 9,000-foot ridge behind the Dhauladhar range. The scenic locations are every traveler's dream. Certain more options available for trekking are Raka Glacier Trek, Karari Lake Trek, Indrana Pass Trek. So trekkers out there, pack your bag, McLeodganj is calling. Tourist attraction. It is not that McLeodganj is only famous for trekkers. It has something for everyone. Some attractions are Bhagsuna Temple and Waterfall. Water flowing down the stone gives you a sense of calmness and relief. Namgyal Monastery, also known as the 14th Dalai Lama's Monastery, provides you with an ideal place for meditation. If you are in search of tranquility, this place is definitely on your bucket list. Karari Lake, freshwater lake situated on a high altitude area, attracts all the photographers with its scenic locations. Nadi Viewpoint. If you want the beauty of snow-capped mountains, there should be no better place than Nadi Viewpoint. Get breathtaking photos for your Instagram view. Manikyani Pass, Dhamkot, Dhauladhar Ranges, Nam Art Gallery, Maharaja Pratap Sagar Lake are some amazing sightseeing locations in McLeodganj. What to eat? When one is on a trip, one should definitely try the local food out there as it has its own aroma and taste. So here are some options for the local delicacies. Thenchuk, Tibetan soup served hot at local restaurants. Momos should be definitely tried at the Chonar House and the Namgyal restaurant. Tibetan noodles and the bread available at the Kailash restaurant. Thukpa and sushis. Italian lovers should definitely give try to their pastas and pizzas at the Jimmy restaurant, Seed Cafes, Cafe Illiterati, and Olive restaurants. For the coffee lovers, Moonlight Express is a blessing. Markets. How does it make sense if you do not carry some local products back home loaded with memories? Therefore, for all shopaholics out there, there are amazing local markets to explore in McLeodganj. Some examples are Neorji and Sons, selling antique products since 150 years, Thankas and Gifts, Palaco handmade crafts, Shemshuk Tibetan handicraft, La Tibetan fair trade, and there are local market available on the Temple Road. So this was McLeodganj in a brief. One should definitely give this place a try for its food, for its tech camps, for stargazing, for monasteries, for its amazing Tibetan architecture. I'm sure McLeodganj would not fail to amaze you. Thank you for watching. Do let us know in the comment section how did you like this video, and stay tuned for some amazing places to be explored.